Forget to take the meat out of the freezer? Takes forever to defrost in cold water? Or even worse, overcooked by a microwave? Meet ICEGONE, a defrosting tray that thaws frozen food 8 times faster than room temperature air. And its premium grade material and structure makes it 3 times faster than competitors on the defrosting market. Just throw any kind of frozen items onto ICEGONE and they will be ready for you to cook in a flash. ICEGONE works like a charm without the use of electricity, batteries, water, or microwave. It speeds up the thawing process with the help of its sealed thermal liquid. After work, ICEGONE quickly goes back to room temperature for continuous thawing. You can defrost without waiting if you have a cookout with friends. Another benefit to own an ICEGONE is the fast cool down fresh food from the oven. Enjoy your delicious baking without a long time wait. Plus, ICEGONE is super easy to clean. Just one wet wipe and you can store it anywhere you want. Back us now and make ICEGONE your good helper in saving cooking time.